so the new Yeeps hide and seek wiring update just came out about 10 minutes ago, and me and Iris are going to check it out today, but there's a charger connected to my VR because it's low, and I got to check this out immediately. Guys, look at this. New entryway to basement. Oh my god! R.I.P. basement, but look, chat! This is better! Kinda. Does that mean new Bitcoin stashes? What's temporarily wild? What's that? I remember this from the sneak peek video on the shorts. Guys, look at all this. So here's like the gates. Here's the light bulb. Yeah, it's just a bit expensive, but how much Bitcoins do you have? A powered two-way teleporter. Yeah, up the bombs. Yeah, I'm gonna obviously buy these tomorrow whenever I buy the bundle. So yeah, I'm gonna buy these tomorrow whenever I buy the bundle. Of the bundle though, oh my god, this looks sick. It looks goated. Oh yeah, the key's in there. The key's in there. How do we get that key? Yeah, you saw the lab rat video. We saw the lab rat video. Wahoo! Wahoo! Oh, key. I just gotta get the key. I know where that goes. Break the brittle glass. Where's the bot? Oh, or you can just use the grapplers. Wait, is monitors finally a thing now? Wait, it's just, yeah. Oh. Yeah, oh, it would be so cool if one of these buttons were a Bitcoin stash. Press this button. Alright, ow. To the key area. Where even is the key? Get the door, the button. There's a button. Should we check out the vent? Stuff's away with this. Is it? Where? Where are you? Oh! Where'd you see that door at? Alright guys, here's the first Bitcoin stash. Oh, already redeemed. Now I'm on 900. I don't want to go down there. Oh, I fell. Oh, it's just like a tag thing. So it's kind of like the spikes in basement. This is literally basement, but like bigger and better. Yeah. What? Don't harm the environment. Oh. Is this Pixel Painter's Fall Guys? Is this Fall Guy? Oh, there's a vent up there. I think I might like right up there. Yeah, use the grapplers. Oh no, the camera, the poor camera. Oh. So that's basically what the vents are for. Very interesting. I don't care from the first year. Very. Maybe all these are the buttons. Oh, there's one up there. We have to time it. What about the... What the... Sorry, I don't want to collect. Oh! Oh, oh, oh. Oh, look, guys. Look. 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 Eee. What does that key give you? Ow. I can unplug my headset. I can help you out. Alright. Let me just do this. Can the guys see? Yeah, I can see you. Guys, Irish new cameraman, like it or not. Wait, but could stash in here? For stuffing. Ah! No, no buck stash. So far. Ah. Oh, where am I? I don't like how it's a two-way teleporter. You get stuck very easily. Don't worry. We're gonna do it. There, go, go. Here you go. I'll save it for you. Oh, here, 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 here. Oh, shortcut. Yeah, I think the vents are a shortcut. So, yeah, let's explore this big boy. What's it? Among Us! Are these like... Oh, there's one. Yes, there is! Alright guys, Bloodcoin stash number 2 has been found. Wait. What? If you press it, then you get a key. I wonder if there's anything in the sewer drains. Oh, yeah, come through sewer drains. Look. I'm going to the sewer. Yeah. Oh yeah, I see those sneaky little spikes. What about the other side? What about the other side? Oh. Maybe we can go through it and we get Buckland stash. What? Where? Where? Oh guys, we're gonna find purple. Yeah, give you your free butt coin. I don't know. Maybe we're not. Maybe we're not. Yeah, the spikes. Yeah, I know the spikes. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Maybe we should like discover more of this later because both of our headsets are low. So yeah, maybe this should be part 1. So yeah, this is part 1 of the next of the. This is part 1 of the Yeeps update. So yeah, we're about to head off now. Our VRs are low. Okay. Well, Irish wants me to come up here, so guys, we're going adventuring. Maybe this. Yeah, I think we should end it off then. Yeah, so hope you all had a lovely day. Irish, you want to come down for the intro? I'll open the button for you. Want to come down? Open in the hole! Fire in the hole! Yeah, so that's everything, guys, for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to please like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part about this update. And yeah, part 2 will be coming out sometime. Irish is gonna do his quest. I'm gonna get off. I hope you all have a lovely day. I'll see you later. Bye.